The mid-size truck market is full of excellent options, but before you pull the trigger on your new work companion, you might want to hold off for a bit. Because over the horizon, there's the latest iteration of the Blue Oval's famous truck that's coming with subtle but effective changes that could be exactly what you've been looking for. Stay with us and check out 6 reasons why you should wait for the 2026 Ford Ranger. Number 6. Robust towing and payload capacity. The 2026 Ranger proves that size doesn't determine capability. With a maximum towing capacity of 7,500 pounds, this mid-sized truck can handle most boats, travel trailers, and work equipment that regular people actually use. That's just 200 pounds less than the Chevrolet Colorado and significantly more than what most truck owners ever need. The payload capacity is equally impressive at 1,805 pounds for rear-wheel drive models. Even with four-wheel drive, you're still looking at 1,711 pounds of hauling capacity. That means you can load up with tools, materials, camping gear, or whatever your weekend demands without worrying about exceeding limits. Ford didn't just focus on raw numbers, they engineered smart solutions for real-world towing. The Pro Trailer Backup Assist system lets you reverse with a trailer using a simple knob in the center console. No more embarrassing moments at the boat ramp or campground trying to back up a trailer. The system does the steering while you control the speed. The truck bed itself showcases Ford's attention to practical details. Even though it's a short bed, Ford widened it to provide 4 feet of space between the wheel wells. That means you can lay a standard sheet of plywood flat without hanging over the sides. The integrated step built into the frame, not the bumper, makes accessing the bed effortless even when it's loaded high. Advanced towing features come standard, including trailer sway control and an integrated brake controller. The available 360-degree camera system provides crystal clear views when maneuvering tight spaces with a trailer attached. You're getting capabilities that rival full-size trucks in a package that's easier to drive and park. Number 5. Strong turbocharged powertrain. The 2026 Ford Ranger delivers exactly what midsize truck buyers have been demanding: real power without compromise. Ford offers 2 impressive engine options that put most competitors to shame. The standard turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder pumps out 270 horsepower, which is more than enough to handle daily driving and weekend adventures. But here's where things get interesting. The available twin turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 cranks out 315 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful engines in the midsize truck segment. While competitors like the Chevrolet Colorado and Toyota Tacoma stick with 4-cylinder engines, Ford gives you 6. Both engines pair with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission that knows exactly when to shift, whether you're cruising the highway or climbing steep grades. The 4-cylinder Ranger hits 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds, while the V6 version drops that time to an impressive 5.6 seconds. That's sports car territory in a work truck body. The V6 doesn't just offer more power, it delivers stronger acceleration for merging, better performance when loaded with cargo, and the confidence you need when towing heavy trailers. What makes these engines truly special is their real-world usability. The 2.3-liter provides excellent fuel economy at 21 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway with rear-wheel drive. The V6 still delivers respectable numbers at 19 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway. You're getting serious performance without destroying your wallet at the gas pump. Number 4. Multiple trim levels for every need. The 2026 Ford Ranger will offer something for everyone with a well-thought-out lineup of trim levels and packages. Whether you need a basic work truck or a luxury daily driver, Ford has engineered the perfect configuration without forcing you to pay for features you don't want. The base XL trim will start at around $34,000 and deliver impressive value for money. You get the capable 2.3-liter turbocharged engine, rear-wheel drive, and essential features like air conditioning, power windows, and Ford's Copilot 360 safety suite. It's a no-nonsense work truck that doesn't skimp on the fundamentals. With the XLT at $37,000, you'll find what's a sweet spot for most buyers. This trim adds LED exterior lighting, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power folding mirrors, wireless smartphone charging, and in-dash navigation. The XLT strikes the perfect balance between capability and comfort without pushing into luxury truck territory. For buyers wanting premium features, the Lariat trim at $45,500 transforms the Ranger into a luxury vehicle. Power-adjustable leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter, premium B&O sound system, and numerous convenience features make long drives a pleasure. The Lariat proves you don't need to step up to a full-size truck for a refined experience. The technology package available on XLT and Lariat trims adds adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, and front parking sensors. These features enhance both daily driving convenience and worksite capability. The cameras are particularly useful when maneuvering in tight spaces or navigating off-road obstacles. Ford will also offer a black appearance package that will give the Ranger a more aggressive look with blacked-out trim elements. This package appeals to buyers who want their truck to stand out without spending Raptor money. Number 3. Straightforward tech features. While competitors overwhelm drivers with complicated interfaces and gimmicky features, the 2026 Ranger focuses on technology that actually improves your driving experience. The standard 10.1-inch infotainment display handles all essential functions without unnecessary complexity. Upgrade to the available 12-inch vertical screen for even better visibility and easier menu navigation. Ford's Sync 4 interface sets the standard for intuitive operation. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect wirelessly, switching seamlessly between your phone and the truck's native systems. The natural speech recognition understands normal conversation, so you can adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. Digital gauge clusters come in 8-inch or 12.4-inch configurations, both offering crisp graphics and customizable displays. You can prioritize the information that matters most, whether that's navigation directions, fuel economy data, or towing metrics. The displays adapt to different driving situations automatically. Driver assistance technology works without being intrusive. Standard features include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. The available adaptive cruise control maintains smooth following distances and gentle acceleration that doesn't feel robotic. Number 2. Composed Ride. The 2026 Ranger delivers some of the best ride qualities in the mid-size truck segment. Ford's engineers achieve something remarkable, a truck that feels planted and confident on the highway while remaining capable on rough terrain. The suspension tuning strikes the perfect balance between comfort and control. Road noise stays low thanks to improved sound insulation throughout the cabin. Highway cruising feels refined and peaceful, more like driving a well-built SUV than a traditional work truck. Wind noise around the mirrors and door seals has been minimized through careful aerodynamic development. The steering provides just the right amount of weight and feedback. It's light enough for easy parking lot maneuvering, but heavy enough to feel connected on winding roads. Highway tracking is excellent. The Ranger stays straight without constant correction, even in crosswinds or when passing large vehicles. Body roll stays controlled during cornering, which is impressive for a truck with this much ground clearance. The suspension absorbs road imperfections without the harsh impacts common in competing trucks. Even the rear leaf springs, typically a source of empty bed harshness, have been tuned for compliance. Acceleration feels smooth and progressive with both engine options. The turbocharged engines deliver power without lag or abrupt surges. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, finding the right gear for every situation without hunting or hesitation. Number 1. Unbeatable off-road performance with Raptor. The 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor isn't just the most capable off-road truck in its class, it's in a league of its own. While other manufacturers offer off-road packages with modest upgrades, Ford built the Raptor from the ground up as a desert-running machine. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 3-liter V6 producing 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than most full-size trucks offered just a few years ago. Combined with advanced four-wheel drive systems and sophisticated traction management, the Raptor delivers capability that seems impossible in a mid-size platform. Fox Racing shocks with position-sensitive damping provide the foundation for the Raptor's incredible off-road performance. These aren't basic off-road shocks. They're race-proven components that adapt to terrain conditions in real time. Whether you're crawling over rocks or hitting jumps at speed, the suspension keeps all four wheels planted. The advanced four-wheel drive system includes a 2-speed transfer case with low-range gearing for technical terrain. Front and rear locking differentials ensure power reaches the wheels with traction. 7 selectable drive modes optimize engine response, transmission shifts, and traction control for different conditions. 33-inch all-terrain tires mounted on beadlock-capable wheels provide massive contact patches and the ability to air down for improved traction without losing the tire bead. The aggressive tread pattern clears mud and debris while maintaining road manners for daily driving. Approach and departure angles have been optimized for serious off-road use. Heavy-duty skid plates protect vital components from rock damage. The reinforced frame and upgraded cooling systems handle the punishment of sustained off-road driving that would disable lesser trucks. No other mid-size truck matches the Raptor's combination of power, suspension sophistication, and off-road engineering. It's the ultimate expression of what happens when Ford's truck engineers are given free rein to build the most capable off-road machine possible. But it's not like the competition is without good cards. Check out this video about the 2026 Nissan Frontier, which you can now see on the screen. This Japanese mid-size truck, famous for its straightforward design approach, is coming with important updates for the next year that will make it even more appealing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.